Ffestiniog, backed by a quarry-poked mountain basin in the Vale of Ffestiniog. The town was once the slate capital of North Wales. There is ample evidence of this all around, where everything practical has been made from the commodity: roofs, walls and fences. The 13.5 miles from Pothmadog to Ffestiniog now carries passengers and not slate. It's one of Wales's best loved great little trains. The Ffestiniog Railway is the oldest independent railway company in the world, being founded by an Act of Parliament in 1832. The railway was built as a gravity and horse-drawn line to transport slate from the quarries in the mountains around Ffestiniog. As the slate industry flourished, so did the railway and the town of Pothmadog. Slate from Ffestiniog were exported to ports all over the globe, many in ships which were built in Pothmadog. However, the slate industry, and then the passenger numbers, slowly declined, until finally the railway closed to traffic in 1946. Luckily, pioneering railway enthusiasts were determined that the railway should survive, and it was reopened in 1954. Over the last 50 years, the Ffestiniog Railway has become a leader in railway preservation and is now one of Wales' top tourist attractions. Visitors to the railway can enjoy the outstanding natural beauty of Snowdonia as they pass through areas inaccessible by road, undisturbed by the sights and sounds of modern life, and an excellent day out for the whole family and a treat for the kids.